G'day. The sun's coming up on the ranch. Look at that colour. The birds are singing. It's going to be another spectacular day. What I wanted to show you was my deutscher. Now, it's an Australian-made, basically a mower, a big kick-ass mower. It's a great machine, but like anything, you know, there's a few flaws to it. One of the things that really pisses me off is the fuel cap. It's a plastic fuel tank, I suppose that's fine. But this fuel cap, it is so hard to put on. Maybe I'll get better at it. But you really have to concentrate and line up the thread, which is generally the last thing I want to do when I'm mowing acres and acres. Pretty easy to operate. 2 forward speeds, 1 reverse, a good throttle, and we've got it's the water pump to lower and raise the deck. A foot brake, just down there, just a simple rod onto the wheel. That works beautifully. That's no problems. And then down over on this side to engage the cutting deck. Deadman lever, that's handy, but of course it engages the gears, but the blades are still spinning. So if you go arse over tit, you want to still get out of the way. Huge motor. This is a very powerful machine. And after you use it a couple of times, you really do learn not to fight it and to basically just to hang on. As simple as that. You can't fight it. It's a big motor. Fairly thirsty, but hey, you only rev it as hard as you need to, and you know, it's not too bad. It's just something you have to live with. Look, I've ploughed through 4 foot high grass in some of the paddocks, and it does it easily. You know, it just chews the shit out of everything you put in front of it. Electric start, which is really handy, and also a pull start there, as you can see, which I haven't had to use yet. So far so good. It's the front wheels, they've got little locking pins on them up here. So if you did want to mow in a perfectly straight line, you could lock the wheels in and away you go. I don't have to worry about that here. That kind of about sums it up. I put the key key start, as I said. I put the key on just on a string so I don't lose it in the paddock. It's the battery. They've only put a bit of a rubber cover over it. I don't know, I suppose I would have preferred more of a secure box, but it is what it is. Funnily enough, it's not all that noisy. I mow without earmuffs, but I am an old bloke who's as deaf as a post, so I make sure the kids always have their earmuffs on. Definitely safety glasses, shit flies everywhere. Yeah, seems to be doing the job so far. So far, so good. Deutscher, thumbs up. Let's have a look at this sunrise again. It's a chilly morning, but it's going to be a beautiful day. I'm only in a t-shirt and I'm bloody freezing. The kangaroos come in about this time. Oh yeah, there's a few down there in the paddock. Oh, there's quite a few. Just a bit far away though. We'll have to get ourselves a decent camera so we can zoom in. Okay everyone, have a great day. Hooroo!